Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to share you the price details and the quality of this stainless steel heavy mortar and pestle. See here, this is one of the supermarket or the supermarket store where I have visited, and just want to tell you the prices on this mortar and pestle. This is of stainless steel material, heavyweight, and you can compare with the online prices if someone don't have the access to go to supermarket and purchase this. Those who are searching for the online, see here in the last video I have did the unboxing of the granite one, not the stainless steel. The one which I have shown you just now in the supermarket is like 299 rupees, 299 rupees, and if you purchase two, there is 15% off on the second one. And the one I'm showing you present, this is of granite, or what you can say, the stone one. This is of 360 rupees, and the one which I shown you the stainless steel is 299 rupees. And I checked it online also it was like 300 to somewhere like 1000 rupees, and this is 360. And please do comment which one do you prefer, the granite or the stone one or the stainless steel one. So please do comment so that I'll get to know. And I want to show you the other price details also. According to the size of the stainless steel mortar and pestle, the cost vary. The first one I have shown you is 299, and this is a quite a bigger one, and the weight also will be definitely different. So this is of 600 rupees, the one which I have just touched here. And there are different shapes. The volume of this mortar and pestle is a little bit bigger, and if you compare the weight also, this is much heavy weight than the one I have shown you on the first one. See here, there are different shapes, different volumes, means the content which you crush, this volume is bigger. Yeah, if possible I'll be attaching few products. You can check the prices of them in the online. See here, heavyweight steel lasts longer. And yeah, sound also I checked, this is metal and which is of good weight. Yeah, please do comment your